Hello everyone, this is Alina from Alinacutle. Today I will introduce new release for this month. First item is this metal die for rotating for card making. Here's the card we have made. We can see this card turned out stunning. These small squares can for greetings with sentiment or patterns. Also, they can be photo album with photos on them. Each small square is about 2.5 inch and the card can be about 8 inch. Some crafters said this kind of card is perfect for graduation season. What do you think? Okay, let's see how to play this card. It's very interesting. It's really a very different card for friends and families, right? This is the back of the squares. The mechanical is very smooth running and this card is very easy to follow. Later I will post the tutorial video. Here is another sample with blue colors. The next metal die is also very interesting. It is for pop-up card making. This is the simple sample we have made. It is very interesting. Here's a butterfly pop-up card we have made. You can see. Wow, it's a surprise if you open the card. This is also very fun to play, but it's very easy to make this kind of card. We will film a tutorial video later. Next is a gift box die cut. Yes, it is a very cute backpack. There are small parts for tiny pocket with sweetheart decoration. It's really very adorable. You can see the inside. It is very nice for small gift packing. We can see the lovely decorations. Here's another sample with blue color. This backpack size is also very perfect for a gift card. Amazing, right? Okay, that's the size. The size is about 3.25 inch and the height is also about 3.25 inch. Next, it also a gift box die cut. You can see it's also a very lovely gift box. It is a shopping bag. This small door is also from this set. It is a very narrow gift box. That's the details, the handles, and the refit is very elegant. Because it is a slim gift box, it is also perfect for gift card packing. Here's another sample for that. This tag is also from this set. That's the size. It is about 3 inch wide and it is about 4 inches height. If with the handle, it's about 5 inches. Very lovely, right? Okay, let's move on. This item we called Princess Diana's handbag. Here's a sample. It is very pretty and lovely, right? And all parts is very elegant. Let's try with these toy macarons. 2 macarons, okay. And let's try with smaller macarons and candies. Void can hold many, right? We can use lovely clips to close the box. Also, we can stick. Say it will be very loved gift, right? This sample was made by their Surface paper pad. It's like a really handbag. This is a green one. All the parts for the bag decoration are also from this set. The flowers and the things are from this metal die. Okay, the seed size. The size is about 3.5 inch, a little more than 3.5. And the width is 1 inch. The height is 2.5 inch, and if the handle included, it's about 3 inch high. Okay, next is a milk gift box. We can say milk bottle and fresh and milk. Let's see the gift box turned out. It seems this metal die cut can make two different shape box. Let's see this box with these lines folded. This box is much like a milk box. And this tall box is much like a shopping bag. Let's see the size. It is about 2 inch. And this is also 2 inch. So it's a square base. And the height is a little less than 4 inches. And this milk box is about 3.5 inch high. Open and see inside. Well, this box metal die is small, but it seems the box is very big to hold the things. Not enough. One more. Two more. Three more. Four more. Okay, seems full. And that's closed with ribbons. Try to make a lovely bow, but I don't professional in a bow. Okay, this seems okay bow. It's very lovely, right? More samples we have made. Any box are very adorable with any colors. Okay, let's move on. Today's release are a cute release. All the items are so cute. See these lovely lollipop holders. They will be so nice for summer and birthday party and gifts for your lovely friends or kids. See the lovely leaf and the ladybug for decoration. The seed size, the flower is a little more than 3 inches. And the height with lollipop handle is about 4 inches. And see this biscuit and the balloon, they are so cute. First, we see the bronze holder with the cute bones and the flag. They seem so sweet. Let's see the bag. The bag is also nice looking. The check size. The balloon is a little more than 2 inches and the flag is also 2 inches. And the total length is about 4.5 inch. This is brown lollipop holder. It's a really sweet gift. Let's see this biscuit holder. It's also very sweet. And the size is about 2.5 inch. It is really so cute with the bite. Okay, next part are many vintage stamps. They are very nice for card decoration or card background making, and can be for any occasions of greeting cards. Please enjoy! Okay, that's all today's new release. Later we will film some tutorial videos. Please subscribe to my channel and get update. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.